Operations and Project Management. Operations Management Principles. Operations management is a crucial aspect of organizations. It involves designing, controlling, and improving business processes to ensure efficiency, productivity, and customer satisfaction. In this tutorial, we will explore key principles and concepts of operations management in relation to the broader field of project management. Let's dive right in. 1. Understanding operations management. Operations management refers to the administration of business practices to create the highest possible level of efficiency within an organization. It involves planning, organizing, and controlling processes used to convert inputs into outputs, such as manufacturing goods or delivering services. 2. The role of operations management in project management. While project management focuses on a temporary endeavor to create a unique product, service, or result, operations management plays a continuous role in managing ongoing processes. Projects often require effective operations management to seamlessly integrate temporary project work with the existing operations of an organization. 3. Operations strategy. Operations strategy aligns the operational capabilities and resources with organizational goals and creates a competitive advantage. It involves determining the optimal mix of resources, technologies, and processes to meet customer demands effectively. The strategy must consider factors such as cost, quality, delivery speed, flexibility, and innovation. 4. Process design and analysis. Process design entails creating and configuring processes to ensure the efficient flow of inputs through transformation into outputs. It requires determining the best sequence of activities, selecting appropriate technologies, and optimizing resource utilization. Process analysis helps identify bottlenecks, inefficiencies, and opportunities for improvement by measuring cycle time, throughput, and quality. 5. Capacity planning. Capacity planning involves determining the optimal level of resources required to meet customer demand. It ensures that organizations neither underutilize nor overburden their resources, providing a balance between cost efficiency and customer service. Capacity planning considers factors such as market demand, production capabilities, resource availability, and future growth projections. 6. Quality management. Quality management focuses on meeting or exceeding customer expectations by constantly improving processes, products, and services. It involves monitoring and controlling quality at all stages of the value chain, achieving consistent performance, and preventing defects or errors through tools like statistical process control, Six Sigma, and total quality management. 7. Supply chain management. Supply chain management involves coordinating all activities related to sourcing, procurement, production, and distribution to ensure the continuous flow of materials, information, and services from suppliers to end customers. It aims to optimize efficiency, reduce costs, improve customer satisfaction, and foster collaboration among supply chain partners. 8. Inventory management. Inventory management aims to strike a balance between maintaining sufficient stock to meet customer demand and minimizing inventory holding costs. Effective inventory management includes forecasting demand, optimizing order quantities, minimizing lead times, and minimizing stockouts or excess inventory through techniques like just-in-time (JIT) inventory, economic order quantity (EOQ), and ABC analysis. 9. Lean manufacturing and continuous improvement. Lean manufacturing focuses on eliminating waste, improving process efficiency, and maximizing value for customers. It emphasizes continuous improvement, employee involvement, and a culture of problem-solving. Lean tools and techniques include value stream mapping, Kaizen, 5S, visual management, and error proofing. 10. Performance measurement and control. Performance measurement and control enable organizations to monitor and evaluate their operational performance against strategic goals. Key performance indicators, KPIs, are used to assess various aspects such as cost, quality, speed, flexibility, and customer satisfaction. This data serves as a basis for decision-making and continuous improvement initiatives. In conclusion, operations management principles play a critical role in ensuring the effectiveness and efficiency of ongoing processes within organizations. By understanding and applying these principles in conjunction with project management methodologies, organizations can achieve operational excellence and maintain a competitive advantage in a dynamic business environment. Process analysis and improvement. In the field of operations and project management, process analysis and improvement play a crucial role in enhancing efficiency and effectiveness. Process analysis involves the systematic examination of processes within an organization to understand their current state, identify bottlenecks or inefficiencies, and develop strategies for improvement. By optimizing processes, organizations can streamline their operations, reduce costs, and deliver better products or services to their customers. 1. Process mapping. Process mapping is a visual representation of the steps, activities, and decisions involved in a process. It helps to identify inputs, outputs, and dependencies, enabling a better understanding of the overall process flow. To create a process map, you can use tools such as flowcharts, swim lane diagrams, or value stream maps. These visuals aid in highlighting inefficiencies and areas for improvement within the process. 2. Value analysis, value stream mapping. Value analysis or value stream mapping focuses on identifying value-added and non-value-added activities within a process. Value-added activities directly contribute to meeting customer requirements, while non-value-added activities do not. By eliminating or minimizing non-value-added activities, organizations can reduce waste, improve cycle times, and enhance overall process efficiency. 3. Root cause analysis. Root cause analysis aims to identify the underlying reasons for problems or bottlenecks within a process. It involves asking why multiple times to drill down to the fundamental cause of the issue. By addressing the root cause, rather than just treating symptoms, organizations can implement more effective solutions. Common tools for root cause analysis include fishbone diagrams, 5 whys, and Pareto analysis. 4. Process redesign. Process redesign involves making substantial changes to an existing process to improve its performance. This may include simplifying steps, eliminating redundancies, or introducing automation. When redesigning a process, it's important to consider customer requirements, organizational goals, and the impact on other processes or departments. 5. Six Sigma. Six Sigma is a data-driven methodology aimed at reducing defects and improving process performance. It follows a structured approach, known as DMAIC, define, measure, analyze, improve, control, to identify and minimize process variations. Six Sigma uses statistical tools and techniques to measure process performance, identify root causes of defects, and implement improvements. This methodology emphasizes the importance of measuring and analyzing process data to drive decision-making. 6. Continuous improvement. Continuous improvement is an ongoing effort aimed at making incremental changes to processes over time. It involves regularly reviewing and analyzing process performance metrics, gathering feedback from stakeholders, and identifying areas for improvement. Tools such as process audits, performance dashboards, and employee suggestion programs can facilitate continuous improvement initiatives. In conclusion, process analysis and improvement are essential components of operations and project management. By applying the techniques and tools discussed in this tutorial, organizations can identify inefficiencies, eliminate waste, and enhance overall process performance. Remember to involve stakeholders, gather data, and measure the impact of implemented changes to ensure continuous improvement. Utilize the knowledge gained from this tutorial to optimize your processes and drive operational excellence in your organization. Project management methodologies. Project management methodologies are a set of practices, techniques, and approaches that guide project managers in effectively planning, executing, and controlling projects. These methodologies provide a framework for managing projects from start to finish, ensuring that they are completed on time, within budget, and with the desired level of quality. In the context of operations and project management, understanding various project management methodologies is essential for successful project delivery. In this tutorial, we will explore some commonly used project management methodologies. Agile methodology. Agile methodology is an iterative and incremental approach to project management. It focuses on flexibility, collaboration, and rapid adaptation to changes. Agile projects are divided into small iterations called sprints, usually lasting a few weeks. Each sprint involves planning, executing, and reviewing a set of deliverables. The Agile methodology encourages close collaboration among team members, regular feedback, and continuous improvement. Scrum methodology. Scrum is a subset of Agile methodology that specifically focuses on managing software development projects. In the Scrum methodology, projects are divided into time-boxed iterations called sprints, which are typically 2 to 4 weeks long. Daily scrums, or stand-up meetings, are held to discuss progress, plan for the day, and address any potential roadblocks. Scrum teams consist of a product owner, Scrum Master, and development team. Waterfall methodology. The waterfall methodology is a linear and sequential approach to project management. In this methodology, projects progress through different stages, including requirements gathering, design, development, testing, and deployment in a strict sequence. Each stage must be completed before moving on to the next. The waterfall methodology is characterized by comprehensive planning, well-defined documentation, and minimal flexibility for changes. PRINCE2 methodology. PRINCE2, Projects in Controlled Environments, is a process-based project management methodology widely used in the UK. PRINCE2 divides projects into manageable stages, each with defined roles, responsibilities, and deliverables. This methodology emphasizes control, organization, and clear communication. PRINCE2 provides a structured approach to project planning, execution, and risk management. Lean methodology. Lean methodology, derived from the lean manufacturing principles, emphasizes creating value while minimizing waste. Lean projects aim to eliminate activities that do not contribute directly to the project's end goal. Key principles of lean methodology include continuous improvement, value stream mapping, and waste reduction. Lean projects often focus on improving efficiency, reducing defects, and delivering value to customers. Critical Path Method, CPM. The Critical Path Method is a project scheduling technique that identifies the longest sequence of dependent activities, known as the critical path. CPM helps project managers determine the project's duration and identify activities that need to be closely monitored to prevent delays. By identifying the critical path, project managers can prioritize activities, allocate resources effectively, and ensure timely project completion. Conclusion. Understanding different project management methodologies is crucial for successful project delivery. Agile, Scrum, Waterfall, PRINCE2, Lean, and the Critical Path Method are some widely used methodologies, each with its own strengths and characteristics. By selecting the most appropriate methodology for a project, project managers can improve collaboration, manage risks, and achieve project objectives effectively. Managing project scope, time, cost, and quality. Managing project scope, time, cost, and quality is crucial in operations and project management. It ensures successful completion of projects within the specified constraints. In this tutorial, we will discuss the best practices and strategies for effectively managing project scope, time, cost, and quality. 1. Defining project scope. Scope management involves defining and controlling what is included and excluded from the project. It is important to clearly establish project objectives, deliverables, and constraints. Here are the key steps. Identify project objectives. Determine the desired outcomes and objectives of the project. This could include specific deliverables, functionalities, or results. Define project deliverables. Clearly articulate the end products or outcomes that the project will deliver. Determine project constraints. Identify the limitations and restrictions that may impact the project, such as budget, time, resources, or requirements. Establish project boundaries. Clearly define what is included and excluded from the project scope to avoid scope creep. 2. Developing project time schedule. Time management ensures that the project is completed within the agreed time frame. Here are the steps for developing an effective project time schedule. Define project activities. Break down the project deliverables into smaller tasks or activities. Sequence activities. Determine the order in which the activities should be performed. Estimate activity durations. Estimate the time required to complete each activity. Develop the project schedule. Use scheduling techniques like Gantt charts or critical path method to create a comprehensive project schedule. Evaluate schedule feasibility. Assess the feasibility of the schedule by considering resource availability, dependencies, and constraints. Monitor and control schedule. Continuously monitor the progress of activities and make necessary adjustments to keep the project on track. 3. Managing project cost. Cost management involves estimating, budgeting, and controlling the project expenses. Here's how you can effectively manage project costs. Identify project costs. Determine all the costs associated with the project, including labor, materials, equipment, and overhead expenses. Estimate costs. Estimate the monetary value for each cost item using historical data, expert judgment, or other estimating techniques. Develop the project budget. Compile the estimated costs to create a comprehensive project budget. Monitor and control costs. Regularly track project expenses, compare them against the budget, and take corrective actions if necessary. 4. Ensuring project quality. Quality management ensures that the project meets the specified requirements and standards. Here's how you can manage project quality effectively. Define quality standards. Clearly define the quality expectations and requirements for the project. Develop a quality plan. Create a plan that outlines how quality will be managed throughout the project lifecycle. Perform quality assurance. Implement procedures and activities to ensure that the project is being executed according to the defined quality standards. Perform quality control. Regularly inspect and test deliverables to identify and rectify any deviations from the quality requirements. Continuously improve quality. Use feedback and lessons learned to make improvements in project processes and deliverables. In conclusion, managing project scope, time, cost, and quality is vital for successful project execution. By following the guidelines and best practices discussed in this tutorial, you can effectively control and deliver projects within the specified constraints. Remember, effective project management is essential for achieving desired outcomes and satisfying stakeholders.